Welcome to our tour of a forward-facing ocean view cabin on board Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas. We stayed in cabin 9500 at the very front of the ship. This particular cabin is a spacious ocean view cabin and sleeps up to 2 people. The cabin felt reasonably bright on entering, considering there's only one window at the far end of the cabin. It's at this end you can really feel the extra space. The bed can be set up as a king or twins and has storage below for large suitcases. There's a decent sized vanity desk with a large mirror and has US and European plugs along with 2 USB ports. The storage in this cabin is great with plenty of drawers. You'll also find the mini fridge here. Next to the bed is a wardrobe with shelving and some long hanging space. It's also where the small safe lives. Next to the sofa is another wardrobe with plenty of hanging space. We found the bathroom to be a good size and is pretty modern. There's some shelving for storage above and below the sink, but that's all there is. The shower is pretty big, with a small shelf to place your toiletries. A combined shampoo and shower gel is provided in the shower. One thing we loved about the cabin was the extra space by the window. It's a shame that only one chair was provided, as it's a lovely spot to relax and watch the world go by. Room service is available in this cabin. Continental breakfast is complimentary, but there is a charge for hot food. There's also an all-day menu at an additional charge. Overall, we loved this cabin. It's our first experience of an ocean view cabin, and it was great. The extra space is fantastic, although another comfortable chair by the window would really make this cabin. What do you think of it? Would you choose a forward-facing cabin? Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed our video, give it a thumbs up and click the hype button. You can also subscribe to our channel for free. It really means a lot to us. Thank you for watching.